Hello and welcome to episode 9 of Walk With Me, where I get the pleasure to walk with you. We're going to go on a short trip today, just around the lake a couple of times. So you know what I'm going to say next, yeah? Let's OJ! As I said in the beginning, we're just going to do a short walk today because I'm kind of beat after that Slayer performance. If you saw it, go back, have a look. It was bloody terrible. So it's a nice 19 degrees outside, sunny but cool, not too crazy. That's what we like. I think all through this week coming up, it's going to be pretty mellow between like 17 and 19 degrees, sunny and overcast kind of deal. Ideal for walking. This is kind of an okay time to do it, around 2 p.m. So hopefully we don't have any troubles out here today. And we do 2 laps, nice and quick, get it over and done with. I've already flown the drone before I started to get some shots, and 6 crows were attacking my drone. Good grief. Was I scared? Absolutely. Oh, shut up, you annoying little dog. God damn. How's dogs like that, eh? They bark like they're gonna do something. Things the size of my fist. Back in your hole, you little nipper. So today's artist that you are hearing is, of course, Wolfestone Studio, Ron and Jenny, the power couple. Ron with his amazing voice and Jenny with her amazing techniques for putting together a song. Funnily enough, if you've seen the interview I did with them, they're totally fascinating human beings. Jenny in the medical field, Ron an ex-sportscaster. Here they are now, they love their dogs. They are massive animal lovers, decent human beings, and boy, does Ron have a fucking sick voice. Yeah! You would have heard their music around the channels. They're fantastic. Very caring too. Had them on the show. They let me dissect one of their songs on Behind the Song. And Jenny's always contacting me about my health to check in. So love to you, Jenny and Ron. Kick back, enjoy the scenery, enjoy the natter, while you listen to their fantastic music. We are about to OJA. Okay, see this bird here? This is known as the plover. Vicious birds, these things around their nests. I've seen one of these attack a dog that got too close to its eggs, and it brutalized the dog with it's got hooks on its wings. Savage things. I hate these birds so much. I hear their sound late at night. Gives me nightmares. Yeah, you've probably heard me talk about this before. Every time I mention Ron and Jenny, I gotta mention Ron recording his vocals in his bloody car. Talk about the poster child for iOS music creation. Taking his iPad into the car or iPhone, singing away. Good acoustics in the car. And He's got a great voice. I just always imagine walking past somebody in a car singing away. Adorable, just like these ducks. Hey, ducky, ducky, ducky. Look at them all. All the little ducks in a row. Yeah, so the one thing that comes along with summer and heat is bloody flies. Off. Bloody flies. Fuck off. They're just constant. It's like, I'm not food, dickhead. Jesus Christ, have you got a bin to go to? Jesus Christ. What do I smell like shit? It was so funny, I just stopped to shoot one of my shots and have a drink, and a guy came past on a bike. Navid, hi Navid, if you see this video. And he asked me if I was a YouTuber. Am I that obvious? So I gave him he asked for my YouTube channel. I gave it to him. So if you're watching, nice to meet you. Oh no, I think I may have found the bike. One of the things I really love about Ron and Jenny's music is something that people get a bit weird about, yeah? Loops. Now, I remember when I was younger, loops are kind of like, or drum machines or anything like that, because I was a metalhead, I'd say, it's not music. But as you grow up, become mature, you start to realize that music can be made with anything. A tin can, some sticks, yeah? Most music is made from the hide of animals, especially drumming instruments, yeah? So, loops are just another extension of music making. Because if you can take all the loops in the world, if you can't arrange them into something that's interesting, you're fucked. And Ron and Jenny have a bloody good knack for that stuff. So if you make music with loops, don't think that you're not a musician. Don't fall down into that pit. It's a pit of bullshit and lies. Yeah? You're just as much as a musician as anybody else. Okay? So be like Ron and Jenny. Rock. So it's time for me to come clean. I say to you guys all the time, reach out, ask if people are okay. I just want to say thanks to those who do it to me, especially Jenny, amongst many others. I always reach out just to ask him if I'm okay. And you all know what I'm like. I'm a stubborn bitch. I say, yeah, I'll be right. But I eventually do stop. So, you know, maybe that's something I need to work on too. Is actually listen, take a break, step back. It's hard. This YouTube thing's a business now. Something I never expected it to be. Still fun as fuck. I still love it. But there's that thing towards it. And it kind of puts added pressure on to keep the machine rolling. You know what I mean? But yeah, Jenny offers some fantastic medical advice for me. Things I've brought up with my doctor. So thank you for that, Jenny. And Ron provides me with the sexy voice. to help me have sweet dreams. In the middle of all these amazing trees, look at this weirdo. I like this tree. This represents me. I'm so ornery, poor little ornery tree. I'm on my second lap, getting ready to head home. Actually feel really good, getting this done nice and quick. Shooting some drone shots. Had a little bit to drink, so I'm not dehydrated or anything like that. Let's talk a little bit about last night. So here's what I think happened. Okay, I didn't get much sleep the night before. In fact, fuck all. So I get up, I haven't slept, I do a live stream, I go out and do a full-on commute and walk and videotape. I get home, I get straight into editing. The night goes on. Before long, it's midnight. I start stressing. I want to get this shit done. I want to go to bed. I get upset. I finally get everything done about 1 o'clock. I think I'm going to go down, have some food, get to the kitchen. Next thing, I wake up 3:30 in the morning on the floor in the kitchen. I think I just bombed. Now, I used to do that a lot when I was on meth. I would just bomb in the middle of the lounge room. So maybe it was that, just overtired, bombed, and crashed. I don't actually think I blacked out or anything. Well, I hope not. But here's the good news, guys. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow and the day after. So I'm getting a little bit of a physical, get myself checked out. I've got an appointment with my endocrinologist to test my hormone levels, give me some more hormones, because I'm about to run out. And we should see if anything's on the improve with my blood pressure and all that kind of stuff. So I just think I'm just not used to this. And yes, I need to take it a little bit more easy. I hear you, I'm listening, I always am. Anyway, time to ode. Okay, let's give you a status update. 2 kilometers as of right now. Boom, BPM 130. I'm actually pushing it pretty hard today, pretty fast, mainly because I just want to get home. Oh my God, I just want to relax. I hear you ask, what's that? How would I describe Ron and Jenny's music? Feel good, 80s, vibe. And I hear it, I feel alive, I feel happy. It's good music. Makes you tap your foot, makes you forget about your woes. Yeah, and I like that. I like forgetting about troubles. That's what music can do. That shouldn't have to always, but when it does, it's a beautiful thing. Bloody magpies. Well, it's that time of the day again where I get to ask you, how are you doing, okay? I know, sometimes things are fucked. Sometimes they're great. But even when they're fucked, they always get better. You know, there's a reason why we hit rock bottom. Because there's only one way to go after that, and that's up. Yeah? Remember, when you're feeling down, it's not so bad, because the opposite to down is up. There are 2 paths you can go by, but in the long run, there's still time to change the road to Ron. I don't know where I've heard that before. Some shit band I heard at a pub one day. I don't know. We are almost at the end point. I see the bridge ahead. Trying to get out of these flies. Man, they're everywhere. You've been listening to Ron and Jenny today. Wolfestone Studio. They're amazing. I always say amazing. That means boom. Right on, good deal. Boom to the boom. Go check them out. Links are in the description. I love them both. Ron, Jenny, love you. Thanks for the support you give me, and thank you for providing such cool music. Oh, feels good. We're done. Bit over 2 kilometers. I'll sign off and we get the fuck out of here. Someone really didn't like their mattress. Okay, so we have reached the end of today's walk with a grand total of 2.3 kilometers. A nice easy day, feel really good about that. This has been episode 9 of Walk With Me, and I'm so glad that I got to walk with you once again. And I want to say thank you to Ron and Jenny for supplying the amazing music. And you know what it's time for? There's only one thing left to say: do the things that make you happy. Mistakes make you better, and we'll all rise together. Boom. Let's own.
Can't